Hello everyone, I am Dylan and in this video I will explain about a programming problem. So in this code, what this code does basically is you have an input of string, and then from that input you're trying to um, collect the unique characters persisting in that input, and then you're trying to print it. So let me just give you a quick demo. So for example, if I type hello here, it will gives me these characters. So these are the unique characters, ordered alphabetically. So ascending order, right? So if I have another example of, let's say, just hi, and this is the output you will get. So I'll just be explaining to you line by line what its code does. So here on the top screen, in the top area, you have the libraries that you'll be using. So you have array list, collections, and scanner. I will not go through each of them very deep, and I will just explain along the way. So first you have the print statement here, and then you initialize your scanner. The scanner is when basically what it does is getting input from user. So it's also part of interactive programming. So when you want to test uh, a program example, you don't want to be using like only static variable. Like you want to um, have an input that users can test different times. And then this is just the string. So sc.next is where you get the input from the user, and then to uppercase from the name you can tell what it does. So it just converts all of the characters to uppercase. So and then here we uh, initialize the array list. Array basically just say you can think of array as a container of elements that contains a container of elements with the same data type. So here we have an array of character, and this is how you initialize it. And then we have a looping here, and index starting from 0. This is the condition. So we want to uh, iterate through all of the characters inside the input that we have here. So as long as I is less than the length of the word, and then I plus plus. So just increment it, and this is the condition that we have inside the looping. If the alt string is the name of our array list, right? If if it contains a character at index I, we want to continue. Otherwise, we want to add the character into the list. So once the list on the first iteration, when the list is still empty, no characters inside, it will execute this line of code. But once this condition is filled, when, for example, you have this input, and then on the second run, you have character I. So there's no character I, but then on the third iteration, uh, the program knows that there's already I inside the list. So you want to continue, not executing any code. And this is the other condition. So this basically what this code does is sort your array in an ascending order. And then this is also another way to print every single element inside your array. So if we try to track here, this is also a good way for you to help you track the the algorithm. So for example, we have hello input, right? And in the first iteration, let's say just give a number one, and then so this is our array. It's nothing, and then the word hello, right? So in the first iteration, it will put H, and then second iteration. So for the letter E, it will append HE. Then on the third iteration, you have L, so cannot find L, so it adds to the. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to um, convert it to uppercase. So let's just make it, because here in this code, as you can see, to uppercase. The reason you want to do this is because you want to just get this specific character regardless of the casing. So if you don't have if you don't have that method, if you don't convert it to uppercase, if you have hello, let's say hello, it will also include these characters. So because they're different. Remember, uppercase and lowercase for character, they're not the same, right? So you want to convert it to either uppercase or lowercase. Just make sure that the entire characters in your input is the same case, right? So let's just change it. 8, and then so in the fourth iteration, so this letter L, because the program knows that L already exists inside the array, so continue, just do nothing, and then on the last iteration, yeah. So these lines over here is basically what this code doing, what it goes doing. And for this block of code here, it just sort the characters that you have in your array. So it becomes EHLO. I'm not sure of the alphabet order, but let's try to check it out. Oh, we got an error. Okay, so we forgot to put the semicolon here. So to lowercase or to uppercase, both work the same way. Try to run this, and hello, right? EHLO. So that's it. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand my explanation, and yeah, goodbye.